Alright, so one of my family members actually did something for me. Now, I got the PRR on the track right here, which I need to remove the silver streak for a bit. I'll get the silver streak off the track here. But one of my family members actually helped me source a new one of these. This right here is an F9, but Kato doesn't make an F9, but he found the next best thing. An EMD E8/9A unit. Now I've already did the burn-in, and to make it able to pull the cars, I had to do a hook swap. But if I can get him out of here. This should run and couple onto the old Bachmann cars. As you can see, I got one of those. Get closer here. Got one of them Rapidos on the back. Standard knuckle coupler on the front. But it's only just slightly longer than the F9. There they are back to back. Now the collar palettes are kind of off. There's like a lighter shade, but I think that's due to better plastic. Because this one right here is actually just painted, but so is that. But I think because there's a better pigment, that one right there's the better pigment. That right there's just plain old. But as you can see, they got the similar front ends. So you can see they got similar front ends, same hood, same bonnet length. Right here, they got the same bonnet length. Only thing different with the new one is the lack of the second headlight. They both got the PRR logo. They got the stripes. They got similar windshields, similar doors and windows. Similar step ladders, as you can see as you can see here. Let me get it. There's the front of that. It says Pennsylvania on the side. Now this is an actual passenger locomotive. So it's made to pull passenger cars. Here's the old F9. See, it's got the dual headlights and the side panels. But similar ladders. We don't need that one anymore. So we will be powering this up and see if it can couple to the Bachmanns. Let's get him on the track here. I think it's an older locomotive. Okay, we got coupling. And he pulls them. Now the Backman coaches are so old, I don't even think the lighting kit... They're supposed to have lighting in them, but I don't think the lights work anymore. You can see that one trying to work. Now he's kind of noisy. I don't know if that's because he needs lubricant or what. Oh, he's almost clipping the observation car there. I don't know what model year it is, but the headlight is like yellow, like a yellow LED. It's weird. The Silver Streaks LED is like white. But it kind of fits with that. See that Backman car there in the middle trying to illuminate. Both of the two coaches have lighting kits in them. Oh, there it went. Kinda. The PRR runs again. My brother bought me the EMD E8 as a late Christmas present. So that's the PRR back in operation. And the F9. I got an old Backman thing here. We can put this in there. And we can just probably put him up on the shelf somewhere since he don't work. Now I want to get more cars for the Backman. But yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And, well, we'll see what the future brings in terms of these little fellas. But I'm so happy to see the Backman run again. Them coaches haven't been ran since high school. Since '09. And I had to do a little bit of work on the bogies of those passenger cars there, because they were really tight, so I just loosened up the joints a bit, and well, now they're nimble. But yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.